Hello everyone, this is Surya Thakur, roll number 4 from class 10th A, and today I am here to show you regarding my science exhibition project, that is something about design thinking. It focuses on drink water reminder notifications using Python programming language. So without much ado, let us get started. First and foremost, I'll talk about importance of water. Water is a very important substance to the human body. Every one of our cells, organs, tissues, etc. need water to keep them hydrated, keep our body hydrated and maintain the bodily functions. In addition, water acts as a lubricant and cushions our joints. Drinking water is great for our overall health, as you have also read and heard many of times. The US National Academies of Science, Engineering and Medicine determined that an adequate daily fluid intake is about 15.15 cups, that is somewhere around 3.7 liters of fluids a day for men, and about 11.5 cups, that is 2.7 liters of fluids a day for women. And also there is a fun fact here that if you are feeling thirsty, then your body is telling you that you are already dehydrated. And here it shows overall benefits of drinking adequate amounts of water. Water helps your body remove waste, it aids in digestion, it helps your brain function optimally, and it keeps your cardiovascular system healthy. Now next is that project cycle I follow. It is about emphasize, define, ideate, prototype and test, and you can read it here. Now the note that I am giving to the user is that this code was written in the Python 3.9.4 with time module being a built-in package and plier module installed using the command line interface pip install plier. If you are on macOS or Linux, then I think pip 3 should work with you. Belonging to the version 2.0.0, although pip is now updated. Just for your reference, the ID I have used is VS Code and also prefer it to you, and it's also your choice. You can use PyCharm and other IDs as well. Now this is an open source code, so you can use it anywhere for any sort of purposes, but do remember that we shouldn't be held liable if this code doesn't work in future or with any other older versions, although we have tested it on 3.6.9 also, which you will see in Linux screenshot. For any sort of reasons, be it update in Python, like there was a major shift in Python when it updated from Python 2 to Python 3, or update in packages, update in commands, etc. Now supported platforms for this project include Windows, Linux and macOS. We have tested on Windows and Linux, and we have researched that it should work on macOS as well, because Linux and macOS both use Unix kernel in background, and that's why they have almost same command line interfaces for some of the commands. Also the plier module supports all the three systems. That's why in 99% of cases, I am sure that it should work in macOS as well. Also, if you still have any query regarding this project, you can reach me out at suryathakur.0705@gmail.com. Now, from next slide, you will see screenshots that will show you the implementation of our project on available operating systems that I tested. That is Windows 10 and Linux. In this case, a Debian based distribution, but it should work in Arch based or OpenSUSE as well. Here is Windows 10 screenshot, and you can see this is here the notification pops up. It is present in the notification center as well. And now if we go to Linux, then you can see here also the notification pops up immediately. So it works in both the distributions and should work in macOS as well. What it does is that it keeps running in background, and you have to set the time limit of some particular seconds, that is 3600 seconds equal to 1 hour. So I've set that time limit, and afterwards it keeps running in background, and whenever 3600 seconds or 1 hour gets completed, then it sends a notification to drink water, because this is a time of work from home, so we won't be dehydrated while constantly being glued to our screens. Now the credits, you can see this is project made by me, so credits are also by me. That's not of use, and that's a lot. Thanks a lot for viewing my project. I hope that you like this idea behind work from home, so drink water notification. If you have any queries about it's not working in your Linux distribution, your distribution, or if you want to get the code, you can see in the screenshot, but still if you want to get it, you can reach me out at my Gmail and I'll provide you with the code. And thanks a lot for viewing. I hope that you liked my project.